Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acetate. 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 Acetate is a noun that refers to a chemical compound or the ion derived from acetic acid. It is versatile and commonly used in various fields, including chemistry, textiles, photography, and more. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Polyester acetate is a popular fabric in the textile industry, known for its versatility and durability. Why acetate is used in example number 1. Acetate is used in the textile industry to describe polyester acetate fabric, highlighting its versatility and durability. Example number 2. Chemists often use cellulose acetate for various chemical synthesis processes. Why acetate is used in example number 2. Acetate refers to cellulose acetate, used in diverse chemical synthesis processes. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.